Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, we did have a bit of a breakout here yesterday, but nothing substantial. We had on the chart the possibility that this could be an Elliott Wave triangle. We did break out the D above the D wave and the B wave, but we certainly didn't have a substantial breakout. We did even break out above this high. So the question remains, is this, do we have to readjust waves? Was maybe this, let me think, this fifth wave only over here, and we're only now starting the fourth wave? Certainly a possibility. Or it was really just an A, B, C pattern like Ethereum. Both possible, yeah. I could find a way to count it in a way that I say this wave 5 was finished here, that was only the third wave, and we're now coming down in the fourth, which wouldn't really change the support area a lot. The thing is that this move up was, I'd be extremely surprised if we had something like that this was already the green wave 5 and we're now coming down. It can happen, but the wave 5 was certainly way too short. If we look at how long the wave 1 was, how long the wave 3 was, the wave 5 is seriously very, very short. It would be a very unclear wave 5. Can I rule it out? No. Yeah, so it could theoretically be that this wave 5 is now over, and should we now crash down, then I will have to count it that way, but it's not my preferred option. I would count it that way if we now drop below the support area at 18,800. This remains the critical support area to climb higher. So far we haven't broken it. So if I measure the Fips again, you can see this is located between broadly 780 and 20,100. As long as we're holding, especially the lowest level here, 18,780, as long as that's the case, I will remain focused on higher. And my view is just to count it in the most, let's say, simple way, and also to be aligned with Ethereum. My view is that wave 3 was finished here as we had it before. This was not a valid Elliott Wave triangle then, and the wave 4 is still coming, and that all we had here was an A, B, C pattern coming down in 3 waves in A. Here a B wave to the upside, an overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in C. Certainly possible, because the situation, and someone asked me yesterday, couldn't it be that the B wave was a triangle? And yeah, but I think it wasn't the B wave that was the triangle in the end. What happened was probably that the B wave itself obviously consists of, and this is really micro counting, the B wave consists of A, B, C. I'll make that a different color to highlight that, right? So that's normally, that's how a B wave is made up, A, B, C. A B wave itself can be a triangle, yes, but also within the B wave, you have a B wave. So that B wave was probably the triangle, which makes it very difficult to detect, right? You really only know afterwards. So the possibility was that we had here something like this. In the B wave, A, let me think, B, C, D, E, and then we broke out in a C wave to the upside. It's a clear 5-wave move. And that finished off the B wave, and now we're coming down, right? At least that's sort of how it looks to me. I always emphasize, don't try to get too hung up on lower level wave counts. They are helpful as a guide, but they tell you what are the key threshold levels, the support levels, the resistance level, resistance levels, the invalidation points, but they don't really tell you the future. So, however, yeah, this is sort of how it probably worked out, just for educational purposes here, and why I counted the triangle the other way around, because it is a clear triangle, but it was probably just the B wave, just sort of the other way around. In the end, it was not a substantial breakout. That's why I think we still have the wave 4 ongoing. No change, therefore, just a little bit of volatility. And the wave 5 to the upside is still, for me, working out, as long as we're holding this critical support at 18,780, basically, yeah. 18,800 plus minus a few dollars. Let's just try to do that very accurately, because I don't want to give you a wrong level. We start here at the low, go to the high. Yeah, it's more like 18,800 This pretty much touches the high. Bear in mind, you need a little bit of space also when you set your stop loss, because also depending on the exchange you're trading, different exchanges, yeah, that's pretty accurate. Different exchanges have different, slightly different prices. So as long as we're holding, I would just say above 18.8K, we focus on higher in a fifth wave. Target remains here sort of in the region between 23.7K to 26.8, but I may move that depending on how low we now go in this C wave. So probably later we'll know more. I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content each day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.